Okay, so you are doing fantastic. And this is where it gets a little bit real because the next question is, what are the long-term implications of holding on to this belief? So the way I answer this question is first I picture in my mind an older version of me. Let's say an old man in an armchair with his eyes closed, looking back down through the movie of his life, thinking about the long-term implications of what this limiting belief did to my life. And then I journal is really deeply, to be honest, here. This is where I try and conjure up as much negative emotion from holding on to the belief as I possibly can. I might even get a little bit immature in what I'm saying here because it's just, I've got to be harsh with myself when I'm answering this question because I want to conjure up those emotions to say, look, this belief needs to go now. So I might end up saying things like, I'll just be a bitter old man whose family left him because I was just miserable and I never expressed myself honestly. I was just a pussycat, whatever, whatever it was. I didn't have the courage to push forward and believe in myself, and therefore this is the long-term implications. No one's around me and I'm lonely, whatever. Again, that works for me. You've got to think, what are the long-term implications for you? How do you see that? Picture yourself as an old person with your eyes closed, looking back down through the movie of your life and try and conjure up some negative emotions so you can really have some plausible evidence to remove this belief.